So guys, latest news has come in and it is with regards to the backlog of Express Entry, the PR files that have been there in the system with regards to your FSW programs and the Canadian Experience class. Yes, we are discussing with regards to the backlog of 1.8 million files and what exactly is IRCC doing about it. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we start this video, a hearty request. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, this is the channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is around the backlog of 1.8 million files so far. The 1.8 million files include a lot of PR files, the citizenship files, temporary files, stuff like that. So, with regards to that, what IRCC has to say is that there was an internal memo which was shared between the offices, and one of the big news agencies got hold of that, and they have shared light on it with regards to what's exactly happening with the backlog. Now, the internal memo says that has been circulated with the department. Within the department, it talks about the FSW, which is the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and the CEC, the Canadian Experience Class candidates. Now, both of these programs are under the Express Entry, which is the economic class category, right? So, that is what we are going to be talking ahead. Now, this is for you as a background to know. Now, guys, what the memo first starts, it talks about as to why the invitations have been stopped. Now, what it says is that around COVID-19, the strategy of hitting the target and bringing a lot of landed immigrants in, they had focused initially on the TR to PR pathway and the Canadian Experience class candidates, right? This was also done to support the 2021 targets in order to for IRCC to meet the landed immigrant targets, which was more than 400,000 people landed as PR in Canada in 2021. Now, they also said that this strategy basically led to a big amount of backlog, which ended up being 1.8 million by October 2021, right? So this was the whole situation that had happened. Now, they also said that the backlog had actually grown from 1.5 million to 1.8 in just a matter of 3 months, right? So between July 2021 and October, the backlog had grown. And it also says that about 100,000 Express Entry PR applicants were still in line, right? They were all waiting. And as of October 27, they were still waiting, right? Now, fortunately, what IRCC says is that they are now going to focus on decreasing or reducing or tackling the backlogs before they can resume the federal skilled worker and the CEC draws. Okay. Now, what it further says is that the backlog of FSW and the CEC needs to be reduced by half in order for IRCC to meet the 6 month processing deadline. Now, what you already know is that there have been a lot of applicants, right? Right from what I know personally is that I have been speaking to clients who have been in the waiting since November 2019. Now, November 2019 FSW file pending till date. So, what IRCC says is that they will first tackle all of these pending files and then they will start holding new draws of FSW, new draws of CEC, so that the new draws can then meet the 6 month deadline, right? So first clear the backlog and then hold new draws and then meet the 6 month processing, right? So that is the whole strategy. This is what the new memo is talking about. This memo has been talking about. So what they say is that they will be redoing the strategy. They will be looking at it once they have the figures by the end of November and the end of December in hand. They might want to revisit. The office, the IRCC officials will be discussing this with the Deputy Minister Katrina Tepley very very soon, and then they might want to see what they're going to do with this target, right? So guys, this is just an important day update as to let you know what is happening on the inside. Once we get more information, we will definitely put it across to you and share that with you. Until then, if you have anything in mind, if you want to discuss something, my number is on the screen. The details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Till then, I wish you all the best and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.